I'm Brandon. This is my van, French Connection. We're here at the 50th Nationals. From Connecticut, we drove about 1,900 miles, but in total our trip was about 2,900. This is a 78 Ford E150. It has a 351 Windsor. Let me show you a little bit about it. The whole van is, all the woodwork is oak and mahogany. With layered pieces of lumber. Moving through the...
You got the window on the side here. Nice big window. I see you got some glass etching on there too.
Yep, yep.
The eagle with the Ford emblem. That's cool.
And then the Dragon. I have the porthole window and the CB antennas. On top, I have the roof rack. The back two doors are replaced. They are not the original doors. So is the quarter clip and part of the roof. Those had to be replaced.
But somebody rear-ended you, or what happened?
No, a tree fell on it.
Oh,
so
tree. Oh.
When I got the van,
You said that earlier, yeah.
When I got the van, it was crushed by a tree. And with my father's help, we quarter clipped and rebuilt the whole van. And going through the process, we ended up jacking up the roof and we're trying to do an assessment of how bad the damage was. And we ended up realizing that Roger's framing for his bed ended up saving the van, because the way the tree landed on it and his framing distributed the load against the wheel well, and it kind of flattened the wheel well, but it kept the whole bottom of the van square and
So
saved it.
A total disaster.
All right, I got the taillight covers, the same thing. They're all oak and mahogany. All the wood on the outside stays on the van all the time. I got the tow package, and
But you said you had a small boat you towed with that?
yeah, I have a small boat on the back. It's electric. I built it for my capstone project.
Yeah.
Thinking of getting a club trailer, but we'll see where that goes. I have the ladder to be able to get up on the roof with the pop-outs.
Those pop-out windows are nice, aren't they?
They're very nice,
Yeah.
very nice.
Give you some nice breeze. Now, is that the original tire cover?
No, so this is not the original tire cover. This was done in respect for Roger, the original owner of the van. I have the flag on the back. That was for this trip, really. Just the adventure of it all. I have the etching with the dragon on the window. Now, there used to be a dragon on the quarter panel behind it. Unfortunately, that hasn't gone back on yet. The back of the van got crushed by a tree. When I got the van, with my father, we ended up taking a ride down to Maryland to find some parts and quarter clip the whole van to bring it back to life.
All right, now the front. That's the wild-looking part, the cool part of the van, right?
Yep. Moving to the front, we have same thing, all oak and mahogany. We have the front spoiler and the visor. I had a visor last year. It got hit by a rock and shattered, so I decided to start making one out of wood. This one isn't done yet. I'm still figuring it out and testing waters, but I want to put it into perspective and see it before I committed to it.
Perfect. Always got a hat on the dash. Right?
Always got a hat on the dash.
There you go. All right, then I see up the top there, you got the moon roof or the sun roof and the...
Yep, I got the moon roof up top and the air horns. Those have been an adventure to get them working again.
Oh yeah.
So I was told that when Roger had the van, he never had windshield wipers on it. And when Rooster ended up getting the van and bringing it back to life, he ended up putting them back on because he couldn't drive without them.
In the rain.
In the rain.
Right.
So,
yeah, and you got the thing chromed here, the wiper cowl.
yep. Yes, the wiper cowl is all chrome. Now, the chrome trim on the back of the van was an adventure to get. The mirrors, they're the same thing. They're all oak and mahogany. With chrome buttons on the back. All right, let me show you the inside. Moving inside, we got all footboards. It's all oak and mahogany once again. Moving to the dash. It's same thing. It's all oak. Has a CB, the radio. I ended up building new dash lights into it, so I can see at night.
Yeah, that helps. And I see you got the classic recliner captain's chairs.
Yes, captain chairs. They recline, they rotate, and spin all the way around. I got the fire extinguisher on the back, the mirrors on the ceiling.
Oh yeah. Let's get the floor here. That's nice. Looks good, man. And you got a trophy.
Yep, I got best wood here at the 50th. And then in the back, the cup was the Vanishing Cup from Vanished last year. Now that's a traveling trophy, so I keep it in the van and like to bring it around.
Lots of storage under the bed there, it looks like. Nice, nicely put together there with the straps.
Yep, lots of storage under the bed. Straps are there just as a insurance for if you're driving. Sometimes you got a hard stop and
slam on the brakes.
I don't want something shooting out from underneath.
Right.
Behind this wall and this guitar, behind the carpet, I have a whole electrical panel, an electrical box that isolates the accessories and the whole system to the back of the van on its own battery, so I can flip a switch and don't have to worry about killing my battery.
Nice. And you got one there above the bed as well.
Yes, so the one above the bed, I believe that one is from a Mazda. It was a wrecked car, and I was very fortunate to have a friend allow me to take it out and be able to put it back in.
All right, so here we come into the back.
Well, here at the back, same thing. Well, we're supposed to have a mirror above the bed. Fortunately, I shattered it this year. Things happen, but in the woodwork, it's oak. I have inlaid a fiber optic wire essentially, so at night you flip a switch and it lights up. Same thing, the portholes, windows, they all glow at night. I got a couple switches on the back by the rock on the shelf. They are, one's to charge my phone and one's a fan.
Oh, there you go. What's the rock for? Gotta know.
That was an adventure. Somebody gave me that rock this weekend, and it just ended up living in the van. So
okay, that's your van and rock.
It's a van and rock.
All right, cool. There you go. Nice.
My doors are covered. I got curtains on the back so I can close them at night. There's curtains all the way around, and then I got other curtains I made for the front windows. They're nothing special. They do their job.
Yeah, it's good to have curtains, especially when that sun's coming in through the back in the early morning, right?
Definitely.